So hello again, it's Jimmy at O'Reilly's here, and we're going to do a revived turbo carbon clean. So here's what we're using here. It's a revived turbo cleaner, power restorer. Removes carbon deposits from turbo diesel engines. So it's a bottle of this here, and you've got a little spray nozzle attachment that goes on top, and we have a laser accelerator pedal depressor. Here's the car we're going to be using it on. These are one of the worst cars I've ever seen in my life for carbon build-up. Every one of these I've ever seen has completely blocked inlet manifolds, completely blocked map sensors, boost sensors, all of that. So we're going to do a revive clean on it. So I've done plenty of these cars with this SkyActiv technology engine here. It's when you open, I've had a problem with one of these recently. We've opened literally all of these, the EGR valve, and it was completely blocked solid, like it was, you know, soaked in concrete. This sensor here completely blocked, and again there is more sensors, if I can remember correctly. Where are they? Somewhere around here, somewhere underneath the hair, is it? No, there's another sensor somewhere here, if I can remember rightly, somewhere around this intake manifold. Where we're going to go in through, it's open up the inlet and we're going to spray it in. With stuff like this, they do work sometimes. They do work to, you know, if you've got problems with sticking turbo vanes, but it's not a miracle. Don't expect, you know, to spray it into a completely blocked EGR valve, open it up, and then it's shining brand new chrome like this. All it's going to do is, you know, if you've got a sticking turbo, there is a lot of soot on it. It's not going to remove all of the soot, but it can soften it up and break some of it loose enough to get your turbo to where the vanes are stuck closed, just to get them to open. And it's not about getting it completely clean where you can see it's a nice clean shiny part. This is not going to do that. It does help open, you know, stuck EGR valves or stuck turbo valves, and if you took them apart, you're still going to see soot on them, but it does help a little bit. And while we're doing this, we've got our Peugeot Boxer there in the background. That's running regeneration after we've cleaned the DPF. You can see that on one of our other videos here next. So using a 10mm here to open that. So I've got that open, just leave it up there. Start up the engine. Connect up our pedal depressor here, and we're just going to squeeze it until we can get the revs up to about 2.5. We'll remove that, let it idle, and then switch it off. Now we're going to wait 5 minutes and we will do section B. So there's 3 different sections, A, B and C. Do it in 3 stages, 5-minute intervals, 5-minute breaks between each one. And we just have our regeneration here going on the Peugeot Boxer in the meantime. Okay, time for stage 2. Okay, we're here now. There you see a little bit of smoke on the 3rd session there. And that is it basically. We're all empty, job is done. And we will let the engine run for about 5 minutes there just to burn off all of that smoke. See there's a fair bit coming out when you give it an acceleration. And that is all on that Mazda. See you in the next video. This one.